Thinking about getting a mattress on rent in Chennai? Before you rent a mattress, you probably have a few questions. Is your rented mattress hygienic? How much does a mattress rental in Chennai cost? Is it better to buy a mattress or rent one? Which mattress should you rent? Orthopedic, memory foam, or coir? What happens if the mattress gets damaged? Can you return or move the mattress when you relocate? In this video, we'll answer all your questions about renting a mattress in Chennai and explain how Rentomojo's mattress rentals work. Whether you're moving to Chennai for the new job, shifting from your PG to your first apartment, or relocating closer to your workplace, this video will help you understand if renting a mattress makes sense for you. Let's start with the biggest question. Is renting a mattress in Chennai cheaper than buying a mattress? If you're staying in Chennai for less than 33 months, renting a mattress can be the smarter financial choice. Chennai has a large population of IT professionals, students, and young working individuals who move to the city for new opportunities. Many professionals working around areas like OMR, Sholinganallur, Perangudi, Taramani, and Gindi often start with rented apartments or shared homes before settling down. For them, buying a mattress means making a large upfront investment for something they may have to move, store, or sell later. A decent orthopedic mattress can cost anywhere between 8,000 to 20,000 rupees upfront. But a mattress is not just an expense, it's also a moving challenge. It's bulky, difficult to transport, and has very little resale value when you move houses. And in a city like Chennai, where people often shift homes based on workplace location, rent prices, or job changes, flexibility becomes important. So, when you consider the upfront cost and relocation hassle, renting a mattress in Chennai starts making more sense. With Rentomojo, mattress rentals start at 361 a month. There's no large upfront spend, and when you move, Rentomojo relocates it for free. Is a rented mattress hygienic? This is probably the first question people have when they search for the mattress on rent in Chennai. Is a rented mattress clean? At Rentomojo, every rented mattress goes through a deep cleaning, sanitization, and quality check process before delivery. So when your rented mattress reaches your Chennai home, it has already gone through a complete hygiene process. Whether you're moving to a shared apartment near OMR or a rented home in Velachery or setting up your independent room, hygiene is a priority. With Rentomojo, every mattress goes through a strict cleaning process and quality check before it reaches you. The next question is, what type of mattresses can you rent in Chennai? When it comes to renting a mattress in Chennai, Rentomojo offers multiple options depending on your comfort needs. You can choose from renting an orthopedic mattress, renting a memory foam mattress, or a coir mattress. If you're renting an orthopedic mattress, it is ideal for back support and posture alignment, especially if your work involves long hours at a desk. If you're renting a memory foam mattress, it adapts to your body shape and provides a more cushioned sleeping experience. And if you're renting a coir mattress, it is a traditional firm and breathable option that works well for everyday use. Considering Chennai's warm and humid climate, many people prefer mattresses that offer better airflow and comfort. Pick whatever suits your sleep needs and your budget from the catalog. What is the minimum rental tenure for a mattress in rent in Chennai? With Rentomojo, mattress rental plans start from 3 months and can go up to 36 months. This works well for people in Chennai who are new to the city, moving for an IT job, on a short term project, staying for an internship, or still deciding whether they want to settle. For someone moving to Chennai for a 6 month project or their first job, renting avoids spending thousands upfront on products they may need to move later. What happens when the tenure ends? You get two choices: continue renting the mattress monthly or return the rented mattress. If you return the mattress, Rentomojo schedules the pickup, inspects the product, and your deposit comes back if everything checks out. No selling it online, no finding buyers, no arranging transportation, no carrying a bulky mattress while moving, and in case you want to return the rented mattress early, there's a small early closure charge. Otherwise, there's no complicated paperwork. You simply raise a return request on the Rentomojo app and the team schedules the pickup. Is there a security deposit? Yes, there is a security deposit for mattress rentals in Chennai and it is fully refundable. If there is no damage and no pending dues, you get your full deposit back. In rare cases of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage against accidental damages, minor wear and tear, and unexpected incidents during use, helping protect your deposit even if something goes wrong by accident. Unlike a traditional rental deposit, this one is digital, transparent, and trackable right inside the Rentomojo app. Another common doubt is what happens if the rented mattress gets damaged? Normal wear and tear from everyday use is expected. If accidental damages happen, the Rentomojo helps with repair or replacement. Only intentional damage is charged separately. If you face any issue, simply raise a request through the Rentomojo app and the support team handles it. Can you upgrade the mattress later? Yes. After 6 months, you can upgrade to another mattress rental of same or higher value. Started with a coir mattress and now want a memory foam? Or looking for a different comfort level after moving to a new home? That switch is possible with Rentomojo. Buying does not give you that flexibility, and you're usually stuck with the mattress you purchased. What if you move to another house in Chennai? This is a big one for Chennai renters. People frequently move depending on workplace location, commute, rent, budget, and lifestyle changes. You could start near your office in OMR, move closer to the city, or shift houses when your job location changes. If you're relocating within Chennai or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo helps with relocation of your rented matches. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover. Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates. Same matches, same plan, just a new address. No transport coordination, no buying a new mattress every time you move. So here's the final verdict on whether you should rent a mattress in Chennai. If you're a student, working professional, or someone who values flexibility, frequently relocates, or is unsure on how long you'll be staying in Chennai, renting a mattress can be the better option. So to summarize, mattress on rent in Chennai with Rentomojo starts at 361 a month. Every rented mattress from Rentomojo is deep cleaned, sanitized, and quality checked before delivery. You can choose some orthopedic, memory foam, or coir mattresses. Mattress rental tenure range from 3 months to 36 months. Your deposit is fully refundable and further protected with Mojo Secure. Mattress upgrades are available after 6 months. Relocation of your rented mattress within Chennai or across cities is available. And if you're staying in Chennai for up to 33 months, renting a mattress can often work out cheaper than buying one. So if you're setting up a place in Chennai or planning a move soon, check out Rentomojo. Mattress singles start at just 361 a month.